What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It has come to the point where we need to do some cosmetic modifications on the ML55. I've got a few things here I want to address. First thing is the badges here. Chrome needs to go away. We need to black that out. Same with the emblem as well and the ML55. And I was also thinking to just darken this white portion of the tail light just a little bit. I'll show you guys an example I did on the CLK. Not too bad at all. Take some light away from it and you can kind of see it's a little bit darkened right there, but same concept I want to do on the ML. Maybe I might go a little bit lighter than what the CLK has. It just looks a little bit darker on video, but it looks fantastic. So we're going to be using plastic dip here. Pretty much this is the best thing you could use to blacken out your badges in your car. I mean, you can't go wrong with this. If you make a mistake, you can always peel it off. There's no damage whatsoever that will be made on your paint at all. The other thing actually I have in mind here is the black grille. Yes, this is a must, especially in a silver car, guys. The front grille is currently silver, and I believe this would really give it that nice, pop, especially with the emblems that are being blacked out here. Same with the license plate as well. It's blacked out. Stay tuned. I'll probably put you guys on a time lapse as I, spray on this. All right, so what I'm gonna be doing here is I've got the towel here with some dish soap on it. Dish soap will work best. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean off any debris on there so the plastic dip can stick on the paint and on the emblem itself. And after that, I'll use some rubbing alcohol with some Q-tips here, just to clean out the inside of what this can't get on. I will put tape on paper and have it covered so I don't get plastic dip on the paint itself. If you do get it on there, it's very easy to clean off. You just wipe it off with your microfiber towel and all good to go. Wow, that's a lot of papers. Yeah, guys, let's get to plastic dipping. So I'm gonna use about probably 4 to 5 coats on this. Each coat allow about 30 minutes. There is instructions on here to use, but maybe I'm just gonna allow about 15 minutes for it to dry and then use another coat on there. So 5 coats total. First coat should be super light, and then from there the coat will get darker and darker as you go. By the 5th coat, you want to just like get it all on there and then let it dry for about 30 minutes. And if anything, the direction says here to let it sit for 4 hours before driving the car or washing the car or doing anything. So let's begin. Alright guys, so this is how it looks so far. I ended up doing 5 coats and it turned out really good. So now time to peel off. All right, guys, so the trick for this, you really have to stretch it to get it all perfect. The ML55, you saw I started with that. I didn't really stretch it enough to get it to stick to the letters, so that's not looking too good. This right here is perfect. This right here is perfect. AMG is perfect, except the G. So I'm gonna have to redo the G, but I'm definitely gonna redo the ML55. So I'll get that done, and once I'm done with that, I'll show you guys the end product. Second time around, whoo, that's looking a lot better. The G is looking a lot better. Looking at the ML over here. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Oh yeah, that looks good. Love it. I'm yet to put the grill on, so once I put that on, I'll show you guys how that looks. Guys, check out the grill. You can't say that is not better. That looks a lot better than the silver grill. It just gives it a much better look to the silver. I mean, you guys have seen the CLK, how it looks like on the CLK, but this looks really good. It's all preference, by the way, so I like this a lot, and obviously the black matches with the blacked out emblems as well. The only thing left is, you know, the door handle right here and right here as well. I left the CLK like this because I wasn't too sure on how to tackle that, because it's kind of like a very hard, you know, spot to actually get it blacked out. But on this car in general, with the body style, obviously it's an older body style, so it really goes great with the stock wheels, because combination of both works great. But in terms of our aftermarket wheels, I can't picture what would look good on this car. And if you guys have any suggestions, DM me on Instagram, or link some sort of wheels on the comment section below, and I can go ahead and check them out so we can put some aftermarket wheels on this thing. That'll pretty much conclude it for this video. I definitely would love to hear suggestions on what we can do in terms of exterior modifications on the ML. I'll go ahead and close it out here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Smash the like button as well, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. All right, take care.